very nice. You have a nice body. You have a nice cochina. It's the personality and the smoking, quite frankly. This guy smoked the stinkiest cigarette. It was fucking vile. I'd make out with him. I felt like I smoked
6 months ago. I quit smoking
you
6 months ago, and I'm proud of myself. Yeah.
Listen, Max, you're a nice guy. You really are. You know, but
you guys had sex, right? You guys had sex, you and Max?
We blew each other.
All right. It's over. How many times did you blow this guy?
It's over for a while. Oh,
how many times? Multiple times. Too many to count?
Yeah.
Right.
Too many to count.
You skipped wrestling. You should have really tried some anal pile driving. Brad, come on, let's give him some tips.
Matt, why did you ghost him? If you liked him, why did you not return his calls? What's wrong with you?
I was going through some shit, and honestly,
You could have told him that.
This is not... Yeah, no, I was embarrassed to tell him that because I was really into him, and I was not at a point in my life where I was comfortable talking about the shit that I was going through.
What shit were you going through?
I quit drinking on July 29th, 2017, and...
Yeah, but I knew that, Max.
It was a rough road before that. He knew that, yeah, but I was still...
He told me all of this.
So why didn't you just text him back and say, "Listen, I'm going through some withdrawal symptoms, and I'll get back to you when I pull my shit together"? Chris would have been cool with that.
Honestly,
Chris just doesn't blow any guy, despite what other people think. I mean, he blew you. He shared intimacies with you, and you know.
I was emotionally stunted because of the years that I was drinking, and I was still maturing, and I fucked up. I really fucked up.
Chris, who has a tastier load, Max on the phone here or the new Colombian?
Oh, the Colombian. I mean,
there's
no comment.
This is
that's it. You can't get back together.
No.
Let me tell you, when I met Beth, it didn't matter what I was going through. I was into her, so...
You got it straightened out, didn't you? If you did have
quickly.
Yeah.
I had plenty going on.
I knew all this stuff.
How old were you when you met her? You were like in your late 40s?
Yeah, 45, 46.
Way more established than I was. I was still trying to figure out my career and stuff. These are not good excuses. I'm not proud of these excuses, but it's the truth. It's what I was going through.
How does Chris know you won't be going through something else and ghost him again?
Yeah, I think you're still going through something.
Stick with the Colombian, Chris, because Max is, Max is not that reliable.
The Colombian is a more of a possible